When Nikon introduced the original Z9, it sent a shockwave through the entire camera industry. It was a bold, aggressive gamble that completely eliminated the mechanical shutter, proved that mirrorless technology could dominate extreme professional sports, and placed Nikon squarely back on top of the flagship mountain. But in the world of professional photography, standing still is the same as moving backward. Competitors have spent the last few years firing back with high-speed stack sensors, dedicated artificial intelligence coprocessors, and unprecedented autofocus tracking algorithms. Behind closed doors at Nikon's research facility in Tokyo, the engineers haven't been resting. Supply chain filings, patent disclosures, and confidential reports from elite sports photographers testing prototypes in stealth field environments have exposed what Nikon is preparing next, the Nikon Z9 II. This isn't a subtle polish on an already great camera. It is an aggressive, uncompromising monster designed to redefine what a professional flagship camera can achieve for the next decade. To understand why this leaked flagship is causing such intense speculation across the industry, you have to look at the heart of the machine, the image sensor. When the original Z9 launched with its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, it achieved readout speeds fast enough to render mechanical shutters completely obsolete. But as high-speed LED displays, ultra-bright stadium lighting, and high-frequency artificial lights become standard in modern arenas, even the fastest stack sensors can occasionally run into subtle banding or rolling shutter artifacts during extreme high-speed panning. Leaked manufacturing manifests confirm that Nikon is evaluating two distinct sensor paths for the Z9 II, and both options represent a massive leap forward. The first path involves a newly developed custom stack sensor that ramps resolution up to 50.4 megapixels while pushing readout times well below 1 millisecond. The second, more radical path referenced in recent sensor patents points toward an ultra-high-speed global shutter stack sensor layout specifically tuned for full-frame professional action. If Nikon deploys a global shutter architecture in the Z9 II, it will completely eradicate rolling shutter, flash sync limitations, and LED light banding at any shutter speed up to 1/80,000th of a second, without sacrificing dynamic range or high ISO performance. Photographers shooting sports under harsh stadium lights, tracking fighter jets at supersonic speeds, or capturing wildlife in unpredictable lighting conditions will have absolute visual fidelity with zero optical distortion. Powering this incredible sensor throughput requires a processing engine unlike anything seen in a commercial camera. Internal code references reveal that the Z9 II features a dual-chip processing layout powered by next-generation XP architectures paired directly with a dedicated neural processing unit. In the original Z9, processing image data and driving complex autofocus algorithms shared computational bandwidth on the primary XP chip. In the Z9 II, the dedicated AI coprocessor takes full, exclusive ownership of subject detection, real-time spatial awareness, and predictive tracking. What does this mean when you hold the camera to your eye? It means an autofocus system that doesn't just react to where your subject is, it calculates where your subject is going to be milliseconds before the movement occurs. Deep learning algorithms have been expanded to recognize specialized subjects with terrifying accuracy. The camera can instantly identify, lock onto, and track sports players wearing helmets and visors, birds cutting through dense tree canopies, race cars obscured by tire smoke, and athletes moving unpredictably through crowded, overlapping frames. The AI lock-on behavior stays glued to the subject's eye or core body frame even if they temporarily turn around, step behind an obstacle, or pass through severe heat haze. Speed and buffer capacity are receiving an equally massive overhaul. While 40 frames per second in full RAW was once considered science fiction, the Z9 II is engineered to push continuous RAW burst shooting to mind-blowing limits. With next-generation CF Express Type B Generation 4 card slots integrated directly into the bus architecture, memory write speeds will no longer act as a bottleneck. Leaks indicate the Z9 II can sustain continuous full-resolution RAW burst shooting at up to 60 frames per second with full continuous autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, supported by a virtually infinite buffer. You can hold down the shutter button through an entire sprint, a bird's takeoff sequence, or a critical play without the buffer stalling or slowing down for a single frame. Furthermore, Nikon is expanding its pre-release capture technology directly into high bitrate RAW formats. The camera continuously buffers up to a full second of full-resolution imagery before your finger fully depresses the shutter button. For wildlife photographers waiting hours for an animal to leap or news photojournalists covering fast-moving unpredictable events, missing the critical split-second moment becomes mathematically impossible. For professional filmmakers and high-end video creators, the Z9 Mark II turns into an absolute cinema power station. The original Z9 set a high standard with internal 8K and RAW recording, but the Z9 Mark II takes internal video capabilities into enterprise production territory. Leaked internal software builds reveal support for internal 8K video recording at up to 120 frames per second in 12-bit and RAW and ProRes RAW formats, alongside fully oversampled 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second for ultra-fluid slow-motion cinema. To support these high bitrate video streams during extended continuous shoots, Nikon has redesigned the internal thermal architecture. Built around a magnesium alloy frame, the Z9 Mark II incorporates a passive microvapor chamber heat dissipation system that draws heat away from the sensor and primary processing engines directly toward the outer alloy shell. This allows filmmakers to record continuous 8K RAW footage in warm outdoor environments without internal thermal warnings or automatic shut-off timers. The electronic viewfinder experience, one of the standout features of the original Z9, is also getting a major flagship upgrade. While the original real-live viewfinder eliminated blackout entirely, the Z9 Mark II introduces a custom quad-pixel OLED panel capable of reaching unprecedented peak brightness levels up to 6000 nits, combined with an ultra-high refresh rate of 120 Hz in full HDR preview mode. Looking through this EVF in blinding sunlight or absolute darkness delivers a preview that perfectly matches natural human vision, complete with real-time exposure simulation, precise manual focus peaking, and customized overlays designed for fast visual confirmation. Ergonomics and physical controls have been refined based on years of feedback from field operatives, conflict journalists, and veteran sports shooters. The Z9 Mark II retains the rugged, built-in vertical grip design that professional shooters rely on for balanced handling with heavy super telephoto prime lenses. However, the internal magnesium chassis has been re-engineered to trim weight while strengthening environmental weather sealing to true military-grade standards. Every button, dial, and port cover features reinforced silicone gaskets capable of repelling torrential rain, freezing Arctic snow, and blowing desert dust. The rear LCD panel adopts an upgraded 4-axis multi-angle tilting mechanism that allows photographers to frame shots comfortably from extreme low, high, and vertical angles without exposing fragile ribbon cables or compromising body rigidity. Additionally, tactile backlit buttons have been upgraded with adjustable brightness levels, making night operation in dark press boxes or astrophotography environments effortless. In modern professional photojournalism, capturing the image is only half the job, transmitting it to newsrooms and editors instantly is what wins front pages. The Z9 Mark II is engineered as a fully connected enterprise communication hub. Leaks confirm the integration of custom high-speed Wi-Fi 7 silicon, a dedicated gigabit Ethernet port, and built-in hardware support for direct cellular tethering and cloud pipeline transmission. Photographers working at major global sporting events can configure the camera to automatically compress, encrypt, and upload tagged select shots directly to FTP servers or Newsdesk cloud repositories in real time, seconds after the shutter clicks. When you bring together ultra-fast sensor architecture, dual AI processing engines, 60 frame per second raw bursts, 8K 120 video, military-grade durability, and real-time enterprise connectivity, the Nikon Z9 Mark II emerges as an absolute tour de force in modern optics. As field testing wraps up and secrecy and final assembly lines prepare for mass production, Nikon is readying a flagship statement that will define the upper limits of photographic technology. If you want to stay ahead of every major breakthrough, leak, and official announcement in the camera world, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below letting us know, will you be adding the Z9 Mark II to your camera bag, or are you holding out for another mirrorless release? Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next deep dive.